What's going on, traders? Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making $100 a day, $100 a day, $111 in a day, $400 in a day. How does that sound, guys? By a simple principle of not only just locking in profits, but making sure we do it consistently over time. Look, $20 a day is $5,000 a year if you trade 250 days a year. Okay, $100 a day is $25,000 a year, guys. Okay, imagine making an extra $25,000 on top of whatever income it is that you're making right now by learning how to lock in $100 in profit a day. Thus the rule, 2% a day keeps the bills away. Now you must be thinking, man, you must be trading with like tens of thousands of dollars to be able to do that, and actually you would be wrong. I only trade with around $2,000 to $3,000. Let me showcase. Oh, it's on this screen right here. I'll showcase that to you now. And very simple, guys. Very, very simple. Look at this. $2,500, 2%, 60 bucks. Okay. $2,600, 8%, $202. All right. So you don't have to have a ton of money to be able to make money. All right. How would you like to make close to 10% a day? Right? With a couple $1,000. That would be 100 to 200 bucks a day, guys. And I could showcase that to you. Now, I'm not perfect, but I have found success in what I do with our LTE team that I trade with every morning at market open. If you want to check that out, then definitely subscribe to the channel and click the first link in the description. That'll give you access to our free Discord. Now, it is free for now, but it won't be for long. So it's a lifetime access. Get in now while it's still free. Now, guys, don't be the people that invest long term, buy at a high, and have to wait over 17 years to break even. Imagine putting $1,000 or $10,000 into a company for it to go down 50%, and now you don't want to sell it because you didn't have good risk management. We talk about that a lot in our LTE Learn to Earn lesson library. Definitely check out that. But you wait all that time to break even and make no money. That's not what we want to do here. We're not bag holders. We don't hold long term. I actually don't hold any positions overnight. I get in, I get out like a sniper. I don't want to sleep at night thinking my position could go down 50% and there's nothing I can do about it. I want to get in, make my monies, lock in my profits, and get out. Okay? I don't want to be that bag holder. I don't want someone to use my money for 10 or 20 years for me to get it back at the same price or even less and lose money. Okay, we don't want to lose money. So guys, I've helped people grow their accounts. Here's an account here from one of our LT members, $2,200 account. He made $150 in a week. Okay, guys, so yeah, he's not making 10% a day, $100 a day, but he's beginning to find success in what we are showcasing here in this group. Another example, we have another member. He has over $60,000. And why? Because he's taking the exact same examples that we have in our group, in our community. He started with 10 grand. He started with 10 grand about a month ago. And in less than a week, he's made over $48,000, guys. I cannot make this up. Okay. And he's found success. And we're going to talk about that briefly here, about exactly how they did it. Look, $19,000 account. He made $100. $160 if you count after hours. Not bad. That's less than 1%. And you made 160 bucks. Okay. Last but not least, I wanted to showcase this one to you as well. $5,000 account, guys, made 6% today. 300 bucks. Imagine being able to make $300 in a single day. I remember when I first started one of my jobs when I was younger, I literally made what, $7 an hour? So to make $20 even would take 3 hours of my day, right? I mean, that's insane. To make even $100 back at $8 an hour, you'd have to work 12-hour days to make 100 bucks, and you have to work all day long. Here we can showcase how you can make that money very easily, very simply, with a very small amount of capital, guys. I have started a new challenge this year. taking a $500 account and growing it to $25,000, thus giving everyone the opportunity to follow along. And by the end of the year, have an account worth trading, getting underneath that PDT rule to where you can only day trade 3 times a week, to now being able to day trade unlimited, and having consistency and understanding your particular trading strategies and style, because it's different for everyone. You can then become more profitable. Right now, if you're watching this video, you're in the learning stage, and it's okay to learn. Don't expect to make a ton of money right away, but the point is to lock in those small wins. If you can make 1%, 2% a day, that adds up to 5 or 10% a week, which adds up to 20 to 40% a month. Imagine making 40% on that $1,000 account that you just opened. That's $400 in a month. Imagine that. Then the next month you have $1,400 and you make another 40%. Now you're up another $500-$600. And before you know it, you're compounding because you're taking small calculated risk, risking 1, maybe 1% to make 2, 5 to 10% profit. And we talk a lot about that in our Learn to Earn lesson library. Again, 100% free. You can check it out. And meantime, guys, definitely check out some of our other videos on YouTube. We are now at, I believe, geez, what are we at now? Like, let me see here. We're at 917 videos, guys. Definitely check it out. We have 6.5 thousand subscribers, 900 videos. We have live day trading sessions where I go live every single morning at market open. You can go watch any of my past live streams. Some good dates. Okay, I wrote these down. Some really good dates to remember if you want to check out the $100 days. On September 12th, we made $200 in a single day. On September 4th, you could just type this in also. Just search 9-4 or go down. But I made $100 on FFIE. August 30th, I made $100 on ASST. There's money to be made. I made $240 on GME. Today we locked in very nice 2% as well on VNCE, SES, and SoundHound AI. There's that video there if you want to check it out. Right there. So here's our channel here. Definitely check it out. And remember, let's end the year on a green note. And also, there's some other helpful videos right here. So definitely take a check. Definitely check them out, guys. There's a lot of useful information in there. I talk a lot about key levels, statistics, key levels like support and resistance, indicators, trend lines, etc. So do yourself a favor and go educate yourself and learn how to do exactly this. All right, remember, subscribe to the channel, sign up for the Discord, and you can watch me trade as live as tomorrow morning. We'll see you all there. Have a great day.